Hi friends, Scotty Rig Trup here with MarineMax Sail and Ski in Austin, Texas. And this is a 2022 Nautique G23 Paragon. You want to know what I like about this boat? I love the telescoping flight control tower. When that tower is telescoped up, tons of headroom. When that telescoping tower is telescoped all the way down, tons of shade. How about coolers? Do you like coolers? We always like to lounge around the swim platform area, don't we? Right here is your first cooler. Reach down in there, grab a drink, throw it to a friend. How about another cooler? Come on board. In the floor of this boat, we'll raise this latch here. You have a portable cooler. Now, you could remove that, put that somewhere else on your boat, and this in-floor compartment with a drain makes 3 coolers on this boat. Another great feature that I love is the integrated steering assist. Now your steering wheel and your stern thruster are talking to each other. Can you imagine backing your boat like you back your car? That's what's happening. Folks, I'm Scotty Rig Trup with Sail and Ski MarineMax in Austin, Texas. If you live and play in the Austin region, give me a call. 830-220-0848. Come on by, or maybe I'll see you on the lake.